We're talking men's grooming, more specifically about a men's grooming product list, how to look handsome. In today's video, we're talking about the top 10 men's grooming products that every single classy, sexy or stylish man needs to keep in his own house. Let's start with point number 1, we're talking about hair care. So when it comes to hair care, the basics, as most of you might know, are an anti-dandruff shampoo, a mild shampoo and a conditioner. I've already covered all those topics in my entire series on hair. Highly recommend that you check it out. I'm going to link it in the description box. But right now, very importantly, let's talk about oils, something that a lot of brothers ignore. A lot of people have begun to believe that oils are very unscientific and they don't help you. But what you've got to understand is that oils are like fertilizer for your scalp. Your scalp is like the mud, your hair is like plants or the crops, and these oils are all that goodness, all that food, all that fertilizer for your crop. What I always suggest that you do is that you mix up your herbal oils. Go and buy 2-3 herbal oils at your general store and then use them at least once a week, ideally twice to thrice a week. Just mix them up a little bit, pour them onto your hand and then apply them onto your hair. Make sure that you give yourself a head massage or a tail malish on your scalp. Increases the blood circulation, helps your hair grow. Remember, all of us brothers are going to go bald at some point, and it's your job right now at this age, at this young age, to take care of all that hairy goodness. The next grooming item we're talking about is all about body odor, the biggest turn off in the world. Not only do girls get turned off, but every single human being that you'll meet, if you're smelling bad, they're gonna get turned off. So give body odor priority, invest in a good quality perfume. If your budget doesn't allow you to go and buy yourself a good quality perfume, then at least go and buy yourself a regular cheap general store deodorant. It's better to smell kind of nice than smell completely terrible everywhere you go. Remember, you have to give importance to body odor, but the other kind of odor that you have to give importance to is your mouth odor. Right after body odor is this problem of mouth odor, oral odor. Remember, you've got to brush twice a day, you've got to use mouthwash occasionally, and very importantly, keep gum or mints handy at all points. There's nothing worse than a terrible smelling mouth. Or pyaz khana band kar do yaar. Alright, so the next men's grooming product we're talking about are your hairstyling products specifically. More specifically, we're talking about my favorite kind of product, a hair wax. And then we're talking about your regular men's comb and a roller brush, like in this case. When it comes to hair products, what you need to remember is that there's a lot of them out there and there's a lot of cheap products. So unless you're buying a product that's at a minimum of 500 rupees, it's probably going to damage your hair a lot. Keep in mind that even the expensive products damage your hair a little bit, but it's always better to go for an expensive product because you don't want to end up damaging your hair too much. Also, when it comes to hair products, you've got to remember that you shouldn't be using it more than, say, once or twice a month at the most. A lot of guys are in this habit of overusing their hair products, overdoing it with the hair product usage. That's not something I believe in. Highly recommend you go and check out the video we made on hair product usage. It'll help you a lot. But also keep in mind that using just a little bit of hair product for your photo shoots or for your special occasions, for your parties, will take your sexiness quotient to the next level. Product number 4 of all the products that you'll ever use as a guy, this particular product is your most important. The razor you choose to shave with. The razor I choose to use is the Gillette Mark III Turbo. What I love about this razor is that the blades are mounted on springs and they adjust according to the shape and the corners of your face. The 3 blades used in the razor are extremely strong, extremely durable, they last you up to 60 days, and most importantly, the Comfort Guard microfins smoothen the skin and give you an even, effortless shave. You've got to remember that in today's day and age, a clean shaven look is kind of synonymous with confidence. And it's also the kind of look that I recommend to all you brothers, especially those of you getting started out in your careers, your corporate careers, your business careers. Always go clean shaven. The product I recommend is the Gillette Mark III Turbo. Alright boys, the next kind of grooming items that we're talking about, the next group of grooming items are all kinds of cutters. Cutters help shape up the details of your look. Keep in mind, if you want to be known as that sexy guy, you've got to pay attention to the details. Also keep in mind that in my experience, a lot of girls, when they're checking out guys, they look for all these details. For example, they look at hands, they look at your overall hand hygiene, your nail hygiene, how beautiful your hands look. And if you want the most beautiful pair of hands, it's all about that multi-purpose nail cutter. Not just your regular nail cutter which just cuts your nails, but a nail cutter with this, a kind of filing apparatus. This part of the nail cutter is used to shape your nail, and this part is used to kind of cut your nail like this. Very important, go buy yourself one of these. Next, we're talking about tweezers. Already spoken about this in the past, but it's very important because a lot of Indian bros deal with this unibrow problem. That's hair between their two eyebrows. If you're one of those bros who has one single eyebrow, please get rid of it. It'll do wonders for your overall look, your overall sexiness. And the third very important grooming item we're talking about is a pair of fine scissors like this to cut your nose hair and hair in all those tricky regions. Very specifically, your manscaping region or your groin region. You always need to trim yourself a little bit up here and a little bit down there. Product number 6, super simple. Talcum powder, or in my case baby powder. Mix it with a little bit of lactocalamine to look a little bit fresher, or more importantly, in this super hot Indian weather that we have, you can use a little bit of baby powder to just de-frictionize your armpits and your groin region. A lot of bros, especially in India, get rashes and skin irritation in their armpits and in their groin region. That can be completely avoided if you just powder your armpits and powder your groin every single morning before you head out into the city. I prefer baby powder over regular talcum powder because I feel like the granules are a lot thinner and it feels a lot better on the skin. In my opinion, baby powder is one of the most underrated men's grooming items out there. Okay boys, product number 7 is this mild face wash. Whenever I'm asked questions about face wash, that's always my go-to answer. You've got to understand that all these anti-acne face washes, all these anti-oily skin face washes are sometimes a little bit too harsh on your skin. So if you're trying to make your skin slightly lesser oily than it actually is and you end up using an anti-oily skin face wash, your skin in most cases, especially considering Indian weather, is going to react by producing even more oil. You strip it of all its oil, it goes on high alert mode and secretes even more oil. From my experience with dealing with my own skin and also talking to a lot of my bros who have any kind of acne related issues or skin related issues, I always believe that the go-to should be a mild face wash. Alright, the next grooming item that I believe in is rose water. It's a natural moisturizer. You get it at any general store, any grocer's shop. Fantastic for oily, acne prone skin and even for dry skin. It's also a slight disinfectant. It's anti-acne. So whether you're going out to play a game of football or whether you're just going to bed first thing in the morning, if you're heading out into the world, I highly suggest that you use a rose water moisturizer. It'll kind of add a glow to your skin, but more importantly, it'll keep your skin free of bacteria and it's not chemically made, so it doesn't really harm the surface of your skin. Highly recommend it to every single guy. Alright boys, once you've got your moisturizer in place, and especially if you've got acne prone skin, you gotta go for this. It's called clindamycin. It's an antibiotic. You get it at any local chemist. The advantage of using this is that it's a disinfectant again. You know when you're just starting to get a pimple and it's a very painful pimple, it's one of those things where if you touch it, it hurts. That's the stage where you've got to treat the pimple. You can prevent it from becoming bigger with the help of this particular ointment. Always keep it handy. It'll help reduce your acne, if not completely get rid of it. Okay boys, and the final grooming item of the day is this: anti-fungal creams. There's absolutely no shame in talking about this particular grooming item because we're all Indians. We have to deal with this kind of humid weather out there, and we all tend to get skin rashes, skin irritation, and a little bit of fungal infection once in a while. Especially if you're someone who works out a lot, if you're someone who has an active lifestyle, then you tend to sweat a lot in your crevices and in your sensitive regions. If you're ever dealing with a skin rash or skin irritation, these are your go-to ointments. You carry them with you while you're traveling. You keep them in your room during the monsoons, during the summer, hell, even in the winter where you tend to get a little bit of dry skin and where some people tend to deal with a little bit of skin irritation. My point is, throughout the year, these two tubes will be super handy. Either way guys, that was the video for today. If you liked it, make sure you share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, go check out the men's grooming playlist. Keep in mind, we've also started a Hindi channel, so make sure you subscribe to that, subscribe to the English channel obviously. And until next time guys, from Ranveer and the team, we'll see you later.